Hello everyone, today we will see that how we can do arithmetic operations in C. This is the three folder. Let's right click, create a file, name it add.c. Add.c is a file. Let's include the header file include std io.h. Now include your main function and take some variables and x, y and sum. These are the three variables. X will hold some random data as well as y, and sum will return or give us the addition of this x and y. Okay, so x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Okay, so these are two variables and sum is equal to x plus y, and then print this. Okay, so sum will store the addition of these two values, which will be 30, okay, in this sum variable. And then we have to print also like the x value, the y value, and then the final result, okay, which is stored in sum value. So this percentage is actually the placeholder for integer value. So in this placeholder, look, the x value will become here, okay, the y value will come here, and the sum value will come in this placeholder. Okay, the order matters here. Okay, keep in mind. And now let's run this code. Click on Reveal File Explorer, cmd, run gcc add.c dash output to add.exe. Okay, and now run add.exe. This is the final output. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Thanks for watching.